In my basement. Now I have our ceiling fan, our mini ceiling fan with the socket. We're gonna put it in. Let me show you where we're putting it in. Putting it in right up there, right above my equipment, because that's what I want to do. Is I want to try to stay cool, but I don't have the ability to put in a fan here. So we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, let's try it. I have no idea what to expect. So let's actually get this up here so you can actually see it, because we're going to see it at the same time, okay? All right. 1, 2, 3. It's got to be starting soon. Whoa! It's really bright. Oh my word, it's actually creating air. Like a lot of air. You're not gonna believe me. That's a lot of air. That's more than I expected. That's what I'll say. It's way more than I expected. Holy cats! I stand impressed here. Now, I do have the remote. Let's look at this together. Apparently, we can control the brightness. Get out! That's all. That's awesome. Apparently we control the speed of the fan. Oh my word. You can turn on timers, but let's see if I can change the brightness and the color of the light. So apparently you can do, oh, look at that. Holy cats, that's really cool. And you can turn off the light, keep the fan, or just turn on the fan and use the light. Okay, I'm sold. This thing's awesome. So this is the flower ceiling fan, socket fan. It's cool. It's cool. This thing's cool. I really like it. I would definitely recommend it. This is going to be good for, like, you know, if you have kids' rooms or bedrooms or living room that you have just like a socket light and it's hot in the summertime or something like that. Maybe even like a porch or a patio. I don't know. Like, the sky's the limit, I guess. Definitely really a surprising good buy. Like that a lot.